Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Idle. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Idle. Let's see these cool gadgets and organizing and cleaning hacks we've got in this video. This is a brush you can use for your body. Really cool. This is a small hair dryer. This is a cutting board you can use for your food. This is a small juicer you can use for different types of juice. We've got this tool you can use for peeling vegetables and fruits. It's really helpful. This is another cutter you can use for making chips. This is a small cooker. This is another clip. Let's see the tools we've got here. This is the apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unbox all these products. This is the first one. This is an ice cube mold. This is a small folding fan. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. This is a small coffee table. This is an orange juicer. We've got this small tool you can use for small rags. Let's see what's in this box. This is a mop you can use for the floor. It's a folding mop you can use for the corners. We've got this box you can use for toilet paper. This is another clip. And this is the package. We've got this one you can use for organizing your shoes. We've got this cleaner you can use for the floor and other things like your bed or couches. This is a square mop you can use for the floor. We've got this small rack you can use for glasses and other small items.
Finally, you have to live with the character, not the beauty.
We've got this device you can use for storing your stuff, and you can also use it for charging your mobile phone. This is another big package. This small trash bin. We've got this small tool. We've got this one you can use for killing insects. You can use it at night. We've got this one you can use for small accessories. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. It's really cool. We've got these plastic organizers you can use for vegetables and fruits. This is the door mat you can use for the floor. Let's see what's in this box. This is a big mirror. This is another closet you can use for your shoes. This is an electric cleaner you can use for windows. This is another cleaner you can use for brushing off your blankets or mattress. This is a dryer. We've got this mug. That's maybe an electric mug. We've got this machine you can use for heating water. It's really cool. This is an iron. We've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is another apartment. Let's see the tools and hacks we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is a folding basket. or that's like a cart.
Satisfying.
We've got these boxes you can use for organizing your food in the fridge.
So you can use it for steaming, boiling, stir frying, and frying. And a nice set of cooking pots. Nice and practical. Sealed cans of the same series. Split my coffee beans. Of course, you can't go wrong with a measuring cup. It's very practical. It's more fun to cook with nice kitchenware. It's a scratching pad for Pearl. Looks like he likes it. That's all for today. Go downstairs. Shower. Go to bed. Good night, ladies.
This is another apartment. We've got this sponge you can use for cleaning your sneakers. We've got these small things you can use for your watches. This is another electric cleaner. You can also use it for the corners. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching.